So today we're going to do a little project. It's a resin project, epoxy resin, to make resin swords. It's a bright sunny day outside today, but we're going to kick off the day by just getting started on these swords because they take 24 hours to cure.
Yep. Make sure you're doing your gloves before this project.
Because
resin is extremely sticky and it can take a long time to get off. Luckily, if you get it on your hands, you can use alcohol to get it off. So
very
make sure,
good.
or you can have alcohol if you don't have gloves, okay?
Do you know which ones you want to decorate?
My mom was going to do the two on the inside while I was going to do the two on the outside. Now, if you want to use glow-in-the-dark sand, if you have it, make sure it doesn't get into your eyes because you don't want to get a sty. And and number two, you should use something like this.
Swirl it up.
And if you have the sand and you were able to put it in the sword,
So we're back. Hi everyone, and we're going to do our big reveal today of our swords that we made out of resin, epoxy resin. And again, this can be done with paperweight molds, orbs, just anything, Christmas ornaments, but we chose to do letter openers just because we wanted to make swords, and this is the best alternative. So we are going to just pop this over and slowly press them out of the mold.
make sure you slowly and carefully do this, because if you don't, then it'll possibly break.
Yeah, you want to be careful, especially if they're not cured all the way. Oh, look at that.
Ooh, this is so cool. Mommy, look at mine. Doesn't it look frosty?
Look at that. I love the petal. And this is the glow-in-the-dark one, right?
Yeah, both of them. Both of mine. The yellow one.
Okay, we are in the low light, ready to do our reveal. We're going to be turning on our black light.
Wow, this is so cool.
Let me see.
The yellow kind of looks like green a bit, doesn't it, Mom?
We got some black light sensitive.
The yellow and green kind of look. The yellow kind of looks like the green, and the blue kind of looks like purple, doesn't it?
Cool.